Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 14 is now here in three colors. You guys have midnight, deep purple, and I think this is purple, blue. So you guys have midnight, purple, and blue color options there. 128 gigabytes of storage, $829.99. This is the only storage option that Boost has for the iPhone 14. So yeah. So there's the iPhone 14. It looks like the iPhone 13 from last year. So yeah, you guys have your nods for your front-facing camera there, earpiece, power button on the right side, volume keys on the left side, along with your alert switch. There it is in the different color options there. There it is again. There's the back of the iPhone 14, dual camera setup, camera flash, right side power button, and there's the front of it again. There's front and back. So the iPhone 14 has a 12 megapixel main camera, 20 hours of talk time, iOS 16, 6.1 inch display. Alright, it says iPhone 14 with the most impressive dual camera system on iPhone. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. iPhone 14, wonderful. It says meet iPhone 14 and supersized iPhone 14 Plus with groundbreaking safety features, longer battery life than ever, and even more spectacular low light shots, all in 5 great colors. Big and bigger. All kinds of ways to customize your lock screen. Beautifully durable with ceramic shield. Vital safety features you will hopefully never need, but if you do need them, it's there. It says emergency SOS via satellite lets you text with emergency services when you're off the grid. With crash detection, iPhone 14 can detect a severe car crash and call 911 when you can't, so that's nice. Battery, a huge plus for battery life, 26 hours of video playback on the iPhone 14 Plus, 20 hours of video playback on the iPhone 14. Camera, a major leap in low light photos. An enhanced main camera and improved image processing lets you capture even more sensational shots in all kinds of light, especially low light. Smoother takes without the shakes. Whether you are filming while hiking up a rocky trail or chasing your kids through the park, try action mode for smooth handheld videos. A15 Bionic, fast at last. The super speedy chip A5 core GPU powers all the latest features and makes games and AR apps feel ultra fluid. An updated internal design delivers better thermal efficiency so you can stay into action longer. Specs: 6.1 inch OLED display, Super Retina XDR display, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, video time up to 20 hours, fast charge, A15 Bionic chip, iOS 16 of course. The iPhone 14 weighs 6.7 ounces. Camera, dual 12 megapixel camera system, main and ultra wide. Main camera has a 1.5 aperture lens. The ultra wide camera has f2.4 aperture. 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. Boost Mobile only has the 128 gigabyte version. 5G capable, Bluetooth 5.3, which is interesting. Wi-Fi capable, lightning fast, lightning connector, Apple Pay of course. Dimensions: 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. Other features include Face ID, water, dust proof rating IP68. What's included in the box is your standard stuff for the iPhone. You guys get documentation, USB-C to lightning cable, and iPhone 14, and that is it. No charging brick in the box. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $829.99, 128 GB storage only, because that's only a storage option that Beast Mode offers. It's available in 3 colors, so if you guys are looking to get the cheaper iPhone, the iPhone 14 could be worth taking a look at here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.